Hello, today we will guide you through how to add link in Confluence page. To begin, open your Confluence overview page. This is the main area where you can access the pages in your space and navigate to the content you want to edit. If you are not already on the correct space, take a moment to confirm that you are in the right location before continuing, since links need to be added from within the page editor. Once you are on the overview page, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Sample Page. This will open the page where you want to insert the link. The left navigation is useful for quickly moving between pages, so if you have a large number of documents in your space, it helps to know exactly which page you want to update before making changes. After the page opens, move your attention to the top of the screen and click the plus sign. This menu gives you access to additional content and insert options available in the Confluence editor. It is a common place to find tools for enhancing your page, including links and other embedded elements. When the menu appears, click on View More. This expands the available options so you can see the full list rather than just the most commonly used items. If you do not immediately see the tool you need, this is the best place to continue. Next, click on Link. Choosing this option tells Confluence that you want to add a hyperlink to your page. Links are useful for connecting readers to other pages, websites, or related resources, making your content easier to navigate and more helpful. After selecting Link, click on Insert. This opens the link entry area where you can define what the link should point to. In many cases, Confluence makes this process simple by allowing several different ways to create the link, depending on what information you already have. Now enter sample text, search for the sample page or destination, or paste the sample URL into the field provided. Confluence can often recognize pasted web addresses automatically, and search can help you quickly find an internal page if you do not want to paste a full link. Choose the option that best fits your workflow and the type of content you are linking to. Once the link details are entered, your page will be ready with the new link in place. This is a simple way to make your Confluence content more connected, organized, and easy for readers to use.